greatest Nigeria student upon the greatest Gbogbo, greatest Gbagba, ever conscious point. Good day, Nigeria student, particularly the University of Port Harcourt. Standing before you is comrade Endurance Sule Bere Nwidun. I am in the Department of Educational Management and Planning, Political Science as option. I am in the Faculty of Education in the University of Port Harcourt. Standing before you today, I want to tell you my vision, my goal, my dream, and what prepared me that I want to vie for the SUG Director of Information. As I told you earlier, I am coming for the position of Director of Information for the upcoming SUG election. And by the grace of God, if elected as the Director of Information, I am going to synergize with the school management to ensure proper information and communication on campuses. Secondly, I will abreast the student with up-to-date academic activities on campuses and other extracurriculum merit. I want to ensure that I act as a bridge between the school and the student to ensure that information is disseminated for the part of management, for the part of the student, in our faculties, in our department, and on all campuses. This I will do if elected as the Director of Information. Thirdly, I will ensure that I work with the SUG President to ensure that whatever activities that concern the student, particularly of SUG, I will defend the image of the SUG, I will defend the image of the students on air, on magazine, on publication, on other media or platform. I will ensure that as the Director of Information is elected as the Director of Information, I'm going to defend the rights of Nigeria students. I'm going to defend the image, the rights, and the interest of the student of the University of Port Harcourt if elected as the Director of Information. We are seeing that over time, we have seen that there's a disconnection between the school management and on the side of the student in terms of information. Like they say that information is power. If you are not informed, you will be deformed. That is why I am standing here today. I want to solicit for your support. I want to solicit for your help to vote me as the Director of Information. If voted in as the Director of Information in this coming SUG election in the University of Port Harcourt, I will ensure that information is disseminated in all the departments, in all the faculties, and in all campuses. I will also ensure that I defend the image, the interests of Nigeria students. Over time, we have seen that the Nigeria student interests have not been protected, have not been defended because of some political interests, because of political marginalization, because of oppression, and because of marginalization. But this time around, I tell you that as the Director of Information, if voted in as the Director of Information, I'm going to ensure that the rights, the interest, and the image of Nigeria students of the University of Port Harcourt, the rights and the image of Nigeria students are protected and well defended on social media, on air, on whatever platform. I, as the Director of Information, if voted in by the grace of God as the Director of Information, I will ensure that the rights of Nigeria students are defended and protected if elected as the Director of Information. Also too, I will ensure that I bring to the notice proper information to all Nigerian students. How will I do this? Let me tell you, I have the full numbers of all the corps reps. Yes, I'm going to ensure that all the corps reps, I'm going to ensure that all the departments, they get proper information. When I say proper information, I'm talking about first-class information. Let me tell you, as the University of Port Harcourt is concerned, as far as the University of Port Harcourt is concerned, anything that have to do with information, my brother, my sister, my classmate, my roommate, whatever, my brother, I'm telling you that is coming from the school management. Yes, the school management. The school management is the primary source of information. And as such, I want to ensure that I synergize with the school management to interface, to see how we can work with the school management to ensure that we get first-class information, not the hearsay, but first-class information that will enhance, understand, that will inform our Nigerian students, particularly University of Port Harcourt, on what to do and what not to do, the rules, the regulation, and the school policy. And subsequently, I will ensure that when time of school fees come up, like now, we are about to write our exam, many students don't know what's happening. But I'm going to ensure that if voted in as the Director of Information, I'm going to ensure that before the day of the exam, I'm going to go from department to department, from faculty to faculty, enlightening and educating Nigerian students on the current happening in the Nigeria University. I told you earlier, my goals, my vision, my dreams. What really made me that I want to vie for the position of Director of Information for this coming student union election. I've told you that I will work with the school management. I've told you that I will serve as a bridge between the school management and the student for proper dissemination of information. I have told you that I will defend the image, the right of Nigerian students, particularly in the University of Port Harcourt. I have told you that I'm going to disseminate information on all the campuses, all the departments, all the faculty, and within the school environment. My name is Comrade Enjoran Sule Bere Nwidu. I am in the Department of Educational Management and Planning, Political Science, Faculty of Education, and I want to use this platform, finally, to solicit for your support, your help, your vote. Vote for the right person. Don't vote because of bias. Don't vote because of enmity. Vote based on credibility. Vote based on excellence. Based on acumen. Based on pragmatism. I'm a pragmatic person. I believe in pragmatism. I believe in reality. I don't believe in drama. I believe in reality and what is on ground. So I want to use the medium to solicit for your support, your vote, to vote for me as Director of Information in this coming Student Union election. Thank you very much and God bless you.